Hello everyone, welcome back to my dorm cooking. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a grilled pork just like a barbecue if you got no oven in your dormitory or at home. Especially at the share house, it is very often that tenant took away the oven for safety reasons or saving some money for electronic bill. Okay, now let's get started. The ingredients are spinach, green chili, garlic, ginger, onion, pork belly, bitter melon, sweet potato, and king trump mushrooms. First of all, cut everything into whatever portions that you feel easy to put into your mouth. The second step is to prepare a foil paper using it as a grill, and saute some garlic and onion. Once they become soft, and then take them away immediately to prevent burn. And then you can start grill your pork belly. The step 3 is to make your own barbecue sauce. The sauce which I made are mixed up with teriyaki sauce, Korean barbecue sauce, Korean chili powder, and sugar. The reason why I choose Korean sauce is because Korean barbecue are well known. If you can choose their sauce as your basis, and then add some other flavors which you prefer, that enables you to create your own delicious barbecue sauce. Isn't that a good idea? By the way, you better not put in the sauce all together at once, but brush evenly onto the pork to prevent it burn. Since there are still some chili oil sauce remain on the foil paper, so I decided to use sliced mushroom to absorb them. Last but not least, the Kim trunked mushroom, which is my flavor. Now we are mission complete. Yeah! Since today's video, we are focusing on the barbecue pork. So the rest of the dishes, which the cooking process are pretty much the same. So I'm not going to show you again. Let's start from the clockwise direction. The left-hand bottom corner is the grilled sweet potato, green chili, Korean instant noodles, kimchi, and sauteed spinach. Isn't that looks like a decent meal for a single snowball? Anyway, thanks for watching as always, and I will be seeing you very soon. See you next time. Bye!